The Bradshaw Bed is designed to meet the needs of the community and long-term care settings. The Bradshaw Low Bed is also suitable for those patients who are assessed as requiring a low bed. Installation staff are responsible for performing the initial setup of the bed, including side rail assembly, handset setup, and the setup of any other compatible accessories which are specified by the professional user. The bed frame is intended to support a single adult. A risk assessment must always be performed on the suitability of any ancillary accessories, including mattresses. The Bradshaw is an electrical profiling bed with a maximum safe working load of 215 kilograms, which is 34 stone, and a maximum user weight of 178 kilograms, which is 28 stone. This includes bedding and any accessories used on the mattress. The standard bed has a maximum height of 81 centimetres and a minimum height of 39 centimetres. The low bed has a maximum height of 61.4 centimetres and a minimum height of 19.2 centimetres. There is no upper or lower age range specified. It is dependent on patient size in relation to various proportions and gaps within the bed frame. For those patients of a very low weight, typically less than 40 kilograms, with a BMI less than 17 and a physical size less than 146 centimetres, a risk assessment must be carried out to determine suitability. Please refer to the full user manual instructions for any contraindications in the profiling function use, for example, unstable spinal injuries. It is the responsibility of the prescriber to carry out the necessary risk assessments to ensure suitable product compatibility for the environment it will be used in and the safety of the patient. The risk assessment should include, but is not limited to, entrapment, falling out of bed, small adults and children, patients with a lack of capacity, unauthorised people with access to the bed, and the use of side rails and other accessories. Please refer to your local policy and guidance on equipment selection and to the full user manual instructions and guidance prior to using the product in safe relation to safe use. Before placing the patient on the bed, ensure that there are no obstacles underneath the bed frame that may interfere with bed function or cause an obstruction or trip hazard. Connect the power cable to an electrical socket, ensuring that it is not trailing or causing an obstruction. A battery backup accessory is available for standard and low height beds for such times that a main supply is not available or reliable. There are 4 independently operated caster brakes. Ensure the brakes are on. It is important to ensure each of the brakes is situated safely parallel to the bed to avoid risk of injury when moving around the bed area. Ensure the correct mattress is used and fixed using the retainers on the bed frame and/or the moving parts of the bed frame if the mattress has attachment straps. Refer to the user manual for a full list of compatible mattresses. The bed is manoeuvrable via the aid of the 4 casters. However, it is not designed for patient transportation. The bed can be disassembled into 4 separate sections, which can then be assembled onto the transport stands provided with the bed, aiding transportation and storage. There are a range of compatible side rails available, including a dipped side rail option. This innovation in bed rail design enables improved offloading of pressure to the upper legs and buttocks by removing the interface pressure between the body and the contact surface. Please refer to the full user manuals for details. The bed is made up of a powder-coated steel frame with profiling sections and a height-adjustable platform. The profiling sections and the height-adjustable platform are electrically operated and can be adjusted via the handset. The fixed foot and headboards can also be fully clad in a variety of wood finishes, dependent on user preference and environment. The bed frame is suitable for patients up to 185 centimetres in length. However, an extension accessory for taller patients is available, which extends the bed by 16 centimetres. The bed platform allows for a range of both static and dynamic mattresses to be used. Always attach mattress straps to the moving part of the bed frame. The bed is supplied with one handset that can either be used by the carer or the occupant. If the functions are assessed as unsafe for the occupant to use, the handset is supplied with an easy lockout function, enabling the carer to disable them. To lock or unlock a function, turn the handset over, insert the key provided into the recess, and turn to the required position, clockwise to lock, anti-clockwise to unlock. Handset lockout illuminates green when the handset is unlocked. The handset has a mains power plug symbol. If this is not illuminated, the bed is either unplugged or has a fault. Holding down the relevant button causes the desired function to operate. Releasing the button causes the operation to terminate and all movement to stop. A standard 9-button handset is provided, however an optional 10-button handset is available which has the addition of Trendelenburg or head-down tilt function. The bed platform height can be adjusted to meet manual handling needs and support a neutral posture when carrying out care tasks. By raising the bed height to a suitable position, the patient may be also assisted from sit to stand independently. Always leave the bed in a lower height position, which is safe for the patient to exit from the bed. The backrest can be electrically profiled up or down to allow a user to sit up or lie down without the need for manual handling. The backrest will achieve an angle of up to 72 degrees, however the angle of the backrest should be assessed for each patient. Lower backrest angles assist with pressure redistribution and higher angles with respiratory and other clinical needs. The Bradshaw bed has an auto-regressing backrest. The sections of the profiling bed both raise and regress away from each other at the pivotal point of the backrest and thigh section closer to the client's natural pivot point, i.e. their hip joint, mimicking the way tissues stretch as they move from lying to sitting, reducing abdominal compression, shear and friction forces. The knee brake will achieve an angle of up to 27 degrees and can be used to prevent the user from sliding down the bed as the backrest is raised. When the auto contour button is used, both the backrest and the knee brake functions operate together and simultaneously. Utilising this function reduces shear and friction forces caused by patients slipping down the bed, even when the platform is flattened. The position may also assist to provide a more natural resting environment and promote comfort. A chair position can be achieved by utilising the auto contour and then placing the bed into the foot down tilt. The bed can achieve a foot down tilt of 11 degrees. When in tilt, in order to level the bed, the opposite direction button should be pressed and held until the platform is level. The tilt may not be suitable for patients with certain medical conditions. The head down tilt is only available on the 10-button handset and must be prescribed. The bed can achieve a head down tilt of 11 degrees. When in tilt, in order to level the bed, again, the opposite direction button should be pressed and held until the platform is level. The head down tilt should only be used with medical supervision. A manual calf lift section is available as an optional accessory and is best performed when the bed is unoccupied. Using the handset, adjust the knee brake to maximum angle. Raise the leg section using the ratchet mechanism. Listen for up to 3 clicks and position to the required height. To raise the side rail, raise the top bar until you hear the click and repeat at the bottom end of the bed. To lower the side rail, lift the side rail gently upward, press the release button and gently lower the side rail down. Repeat at the bottom of the bed. There are a range of accessories available for the Bradshaw bed. Please refer to the user guide for details.